You want some more? What do you say?
Yeah.
No, you say please. There you go. The only thing Aiden will say please for is whipped cream. Do you want some more? What do you say? There you go. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? He says please, but he won't say thank you. Can you say thank you? Thank you. What do you say? All right. That's good enough. Can you give me a high five? No. High five. Good job.